Stop everything and check these out. Salsa verde chicken tacos are super easy to make. And seriously, the slow cooker is the secret to tonight's Taco Tuesday recipe. Well, hello there. Good to see you again. And for those of you that are first timers around here, welcome to the party. The Taco Tuesday party, where I'm cooking my way through the 52 taco recipes inside my cookbook, the Taco Tuesday Cookbook. I've got tacos galore, and since I'm a busy mom to 3, I made sure to make each recipe as simple as possible with skillet, sheet pan tacos, slow cooker tacos, and more. Because you never know what 6 o'clock will bring, and I want to make sure that you make every Tuesday the best eats of your week. And yep, these salsa verde tacos look and taste like $1,000,000 without all the work. The first thing you need is some salsa verde. It's not a recommendation, it's a must. I whip some up with some tomatillos in the blender, super easy peasy with the recipe in the book, but you can just buy it. This is a stress-free taco series. So let's place the boneless, skinless chicken breast in the slow cooker and just pour the salsa verde with a little honey, lime juice, and seasoning on top. Cover and we set on high for 4 to 5 hours or low for 8 until the meat separates easily with a fork. All right, you guys, this chicken smells delicious. And by the way, this basic salsa verde chicken is awesome for other recipes like my salsa verde skillet pasta, stuffing a potato along with some cheese and sour cream. All right, let's focus on the chicken. I'm going to shred it with 2 forks, and as you can see, it shreds super easily. I'm gonna let the chicken absorb the sauce while I prep the rest of the party. I have some crunchy taco shells that I'm gonna warm up in the oven. I like crunchy taco shells for this recipe, but you can totally use soft corn tortillas or flour tortillas instead, whatever rocks your taco. Next, I'm gonna dice some avocado because, you know, it goes with everything. And then I have some cheese, shredded lettuce, pico de gallo, or salsa, whatever you wanna use. There is nothing like fresh pico de gallo or salsa to top a taco, and today's recipe is one of my favorites. It's also in my cookbook along with other salsas, dressings, dips, and drizzles. Honestly, you'll find everything your tacos would ever need inside the book. Now my favorite part, to assemble and eat. Let's start by placing some of the shredded lettuce at the bottom of the tortilla shell. I do this because it's really not easy to stuff some shredded lettuce after you filled it with all the other things. So then I'm gonna top the lettuce with my chicken, cheese, pico, a little avocado. Oh my gosh, here we go. The chicken is so tender and smoky that pico brings out all those fresh flavors. This is one recipe you're gonna love. The link to the recipe and the Taco Tuesday cookbook is right below, and if you love tacos as much as I do and want to celebrate every single week for a year in our Taco Tuesday series, make sure to click that red subscribe button. It's free and it's gonna give you something to talk about every single week. See you next time.